Today I am reviewing Samsung 990 EVO Plus 4TB SSD. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a high-performance SSD that delivers speed, reliability, and massive storage capacity, the Samsung 990 EVO Plus 4TB is a drive that truly stands out. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or simply someone who needs fast and dependable storage for your laptop or desktop, this SSD offers one of the best blends of speed, efficiency, and longevity on the market right now. Let's take a deep dive into what makes it such a strong choice. The first thing to highlight about the Samsung 990 EVO Plus is its blazing fast speed. With sequential read speeds of up to 7,250 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 6,300 megabytes per second, this SSD is built to handle everything from loading massive game files to transferring huge 4K and even 8K video projects. In practical terms, that means faster boot times, near-instant loading for your applications, and seamless multitasking even when you're working with demanding software. Samsung has also implemented its intelligent TurboWrite 2.0 technology, which optimizes large file performance and ensures consistent speed during extended data transfers. So whether you're moving hundreds of gigabytes of footage or just loading up your favorite game, you won't experience frustrating slowdowns. Storage capacity is another area where this drive shines. At 4 terabytes, you're getting a huge amount of space in a compact M.2 form factor. This makes it ideal for gamers with large libraries of titles, video editors handling raw footage, or professionals who need a lot of high-speed storage without juggling multiple drives. You won't constantly find yourself deleting files or moving things around to free up space, which is a huge quality-of-life improvement. Thermal management and efficiency are also key considerations with high-speed SSDs, and Samsung has clearly thought this through. The 990 EVO Plus uses a nickel-coated controller that not only helps with heat dissipation, but also improves power efficiency. In fact, it's designed to achieve the same performance with less power consumption compared to many competing drives. This means you get better thermal stability, longer laptop battery life if you're using it in a portable system, and overall more efficient performance without overheating concerns. Another advantage is compatibility. The Samsung 990 EVO Plus supports PCIe 4.0 x4, and it's also forward-compatible with PCIe 5.0 x2. That means it's optimized for the latest technology, while still being fully usable with current-gen motherboards and laptops. It's a future-proof drive that you can count on for years, even as newer systems become more common. And for those who might be upgrading from older setups, it remains backward-compatible, so you don't have to worry about being left behind. On the software side, Samsung includes its well-known Magician software, which helps you monitor the health of your SSD, update firmware easily, and even access additional security features like encryption. This makes the ownership experience smoother because you don't have to manually hunt for updates or worry about performance degradation over time. The software keeps everything running like new. Physically, the drive is compact and lightweight, as you'd expect from an M.2 SSD, making installation straightforward whether you're putting it into a desktop PC or upgrading a laptop. Despite its small size and weight, just 9 grams, it packs incredible power and efficiency, backed by Samsung's excellent reliability and a 5-year manufacturer warranty. With thousands of positive reviews and a bestseller rank among internal solid-state drives, the 990 EVO Plus has already proven itself as a favorite among tech enthusiasts. To sum it up, the Samsung 990 EVO Plus 4TB SSD is more than just storage. It's a performance upgrade that enhances the way your system feels and responds. With its groundbreaking speeds, huge storage space, exceptional thermal efficiency, and future-proof compatibility, it's a drive that's ready for everything from high-end gaming to professional workloads. If you're looking for one of the best SSDs available in 2025, this one definitely deserves to be at the top of your list.